Hi, this is Dennis with Battleborn Batteries, and I wanted to talk about a couple things that you can notice using just your voltmeter. Even though we're not measuring currents directly, we can use our voltmeter to show where current is flowing in a system like this. So here we've got a system of 14 batteries, 7 strings of pairs, and so it's a 24 volt system. Each pair gives 24 volts, and each pair is connected in parallel. And the first thing I want to show you is that we've got a voltage across each pair of 26.3 volts roughly. At the moment we're drawing about 100 amps from the battery bank and about 100 amps from the solar, so it's about 200 amps. What I want to show you is if you take the voltage measurement from the first battery where we're extracting current out of to the middle battery where we're not extracting any current, you can see a voltage of about 38 millivolts. So that indicates that we actually have current flowing from here to here in the string. That's expected, right? Now, if I kick off the solar and increase the total current that's being drawn from the batteries, now instead of 100 amps, we've got about 200 amps being drawn from the system. Now we've got a voltage measurement of about double, of 70 millivolts. So we've got more current that's being drawn. So what I want to demonstrate here is that you can use voltage measurements to show where current is flowing. If this was the exact voltage, so if there was no voltage drop between here and here, that would indicate that there was no current flowing. You can use this same trick to show that there's current flowing through a fuse or through a switch. So for example, we can measure a voltage across this switch, and it's very small. It's only about 32 millivolts, but that 32 millivolts indicates that there's actually current flowing through the switch. If we saw 0 volts, it would mean that maybe the switch is bad, and there's very little current flowing through it.